prestige worldwide. Why?
Tires and hose. Butadiene is tires and hose. The carbon, the hydrogen, the polymerization. My balls are so big they can fill the nation.
Hoses, golf balls, my dad's tires. Grab a rubber and fulfill your desires.
Butadiene is quite fantastic. It's using golf balls because it's so elastic.
Grab some ethanol, don't get cute, catalyze this shit, and let's make this puke.
Tires and hose. Butadiene is tires and hose. $2 million tons made every year, and it's toxic, so you better fear.
Leather discovered it in 1910. He must be getting hosed again and again.
High cis, high trans, and lithium base. Back up, cause the hose might spray you in the face.
Now listen up, ladies, cause we're in command. Don't leave this class without a hose in your hand.